Welcome everyone. Today in this video you are going to learn about ing form of doing words. You will see that we can use ing form of doing words with is, am and are. Today I will explain you the use of ing form of doing words with is, am and are. So let's start. Before starting ing form, I just want to explain you where we can use is, am and are. In my previous video, I already explained you. Once again, I am explaining. With I, we always use am. With he, she, it and any singular name, we always use is. And with we, you, they and plural names. With plural names, like the girls, the boys and any other names. And with he, you, they, we always use are. I am sitting in the class. For example, I am sitting in the class. She is sitting in the class. He is sitting in the class. It is sitting in the class. Raghu, singular name, is sitting in the class. We are sitting in the class. You are sitting in the class. They are sitting in the class. The girls are sitting in the class. The boys are sitting in the class. This way we can use is, am and are with ing form of doing words. Now some important rules. We add ing form of doing words at the end of the words. It is very important. Where we use ing form? At the end of the word. We add ing form of doing words at the end of the word. For example, hold, hold. Hold is a word. If we are using ing, then it will become holding. Boy is holding a ball. Drink. With drink, if we add ing, it will become drinking. Drink. Boy is drinking juice. Then same way read, it will become reading. Reading. After D we are adding ing. Father is reading newspaper. Then play. Play will become playing. Play. Then ing. Hurry is playing cricket. Eat. It will become eating. I am eating cake. Next rule. Some words end in E. When we add ing, we drop the E. Add ing to the words. Very important. You should understand it very clearly and you should aware of this, that some words, if in that word last letter is E. Just remember, if in the word last letter is E, then if we are adding ing, that time we remove that E and we will add ing. For example, like, like, last letter is E. So when we are adding ing, that time we will remove this E and we will add ing. Like like, we will remove E and we will add ing. So it will become liking. E is not here. Next word is taste. Taste. Again last letter is E. So we will remove E and we will add ing. And now it is tasting. E is not here. Tasting. Number 3, dance. dance. Again last letter is E. So we will remove this E and we will add ing. Now it will become dance. ing. E is not here. Dancing. Next rule is also very important. When ing is added to some doing words, then the last letter is doubled. Add ing to the words. It means in some words we add last letter one more time. We always do the doubling of the last letter. For example, jog, J-O-G. Now what we will do at the time of adding ing, we will double the last letter. What is the last letter? G. So we will repeat this G one more time and then we will add ing. Now it will become J-O-G-G and ing, jogging. We are repeating last letter one more time. Next is knit, K-N-I-T. If we are adding ing, that time we will repeat this T one more time. We will double this T. Now it will become K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G. T is doubled. Number 3, drop, D-R-O-P. What we have to do? We will add ing and we will repeat this P one more time. It will become D-R-O-P-P-I-N-G, dropping. And the next word is run, R-U-N. If we are adding ing, then we will double this N. Now it will become R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Thank you so much.